Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change your nickname on Discord. So first, of course, we have to open up Discord. Then, while in your own server, you have to tap on this people's icon in the top right corner. Then, on yourself, manage user, change nickname, and you can change your nickname to whatever you want. For example, very hard reset. Now, in the end, simply tap on the save icon right there. Nickname changed to very hard reset. Now, if we go back to our server, as you can see, our name has been changed, and that's everything basically. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.